keep going. Okay, so this is office identity sheet. If you don't have this sheet, it'll be coming to you shortly here. Okay, so this is May the 13th, 2015. 4G. It says sine 4 theta plus 2 cos squared theta minus cos squared theta equals 1. Okay, so this question here, when we do identities, what you're always trying to do, you need one of these? I have one. Or I did that. And also Kylie, I think, is that it? All right, so we're always going to pick the more complicated side and move forward here. Yeah. Oh, this is off this sheet right here. This is off this sheet right here. Okay, so we're always going to pick the more complicated side. I'm going to instantly choose the left-hand side. Okay, to make that beautiful one turn into that stuff on the left is not nice. Okay. Anyone have any suggestions for what I can do on the left-hand side here? Yeah, go ahead.
Or factor out 2 cos theta.
Okay. These two, you mean?
No, 2 cos theta. And one term in the middle.
What do you mean factor out? I don't understand.
Like 2
Or just move it? I'm not really following. I'll wait again. So I don't get all through. Like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't really see how that's going to help too much. No, just being honest here, I don't really see how that's going to help too much. So I want to get this equal to 1. If, let's take the finishing end here, okay? I want 1. What's my left-hand side going to ultimately end up like then? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, good, yes, but how do I get it to equal 1 though? Yeah, go ahead.
Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta.
Right, so I'm going to want to have the sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. So probably I'm not going to want to touch cos squared theta, okay? I'm just going to leave this for right now because I'm going to try and deal with the other ones. I'm probably going to rewrite it as maybe something like this. Okay, I know I'm probably going to want that cos squared theta, so that's looking decent. Now, for anyone that's done the rest of their work, and I think actually this morning we were working on this one, Alana, for sine 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. Do you remember what we did with sine 4 theta minus cos 4 theta?
Oh, we put like sine squared theta minus cos squared theta twice.
Yeah.
And the second one is cos.
Can someone explain what Alana just did here?
Difference of
Difference
squares.
of squares, very good. Right, so she factorized difference of squares. Now this is the problem with identities. Okay, I'm a math teacher, so I can figure out exactly what to do here. But with little experience, it's difficult to do it the first way through. I know this is true because when I did this question this morning, sine 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. Okay, why am I feeling good about this? What can I do to simplify? Someone other than Alana here. Okay, play along here, guys, please. Not more than 3 people must know this. What can I do here? Yeah, go ahead.
Can you cancel the polish
I can eventually, not quite yet though, not directly though. Okay, something else can fix it. Yeah, go ahead.
Are you foiling it?
Well, if I foil this back out, I'll go back to here, right? So not quite for that yet. Yeah, go ahead. No, not quite. Well, what equals 1 here? Someone go ahead. Yeah, this part right here, only this part equals 1. Right? Square theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. So what I'm left with then is sine squared theta minus cos squared theta plus 2 cos squared theta.
Oh,
Right, because I timed in 1 is not going to make any difference here. Okay, I'm feeling sort of good but not great about this question yet. Can someone be brave? I'm just going to skip you for a second here. Can someone else be brave and tell me how I'm feeling good about this? If I see sine squared theta minus cos squared theta plus 2 cos squared theta, how is that going to? Good. So what's like minus cos squared theta plus 2 cos squared theta equal to? Plus cos squared theta. So I'm left with sine squared theta. Close up north. What is sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to?
1.
Now, here's the problem with this identity. This was like a, not an impossible one, but a middle of the road difficulty, okay? So this wasn't easy. This wasn't the worst thing I've ever seen, okay? But it was middle of the road difficulty. And this is where I want you guys to at least struggle with these a little bit. We'll go through these in the next few days, because now that you've seen this, hopefully if you ever see something with sine to the 4 or cos to the 4, you'll think, yeah, you got to factor the squares for that, okay? Okay, question with this, please be brave. Any question what I did there? Please be brave. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so good question. So what I did there, this is like negative cos squared, so it's like minus 1 cos. It's like minus something plus 2 or something, it's just going to be plus 1 or something. Right, it's like 2 minus 1, which is positive cos squared theta. Okay. Yeah.
I don't get why that one bracket just
Yeah,
disappeared.
no problem. So basically what I did, right, is sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. You're okay on that?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically it's just this first bracket times 1. Right? Okay. Which is just the same as sine squared theta plus,
okay.
right? Because like it's right. And the brackets just disappear because you're multiplying by 1, so they just disappear. Anybody else here? Please be brave, guys. This is an easy stuff. We're good? Just make sure.
I think that was the really awful.
I'm going to leave. I'm going to take that up on Friday or Monday, not right now. So take me about 20 minutes to do it. Okay, so I'm going to take a break. Not do it right now. Okay.
Is it on those principles that shows you solve both sides?
You have to,
In the homework,
in the homework though,
you had to make one side like equal the other side. So like you work on one side so you couldn't do it anymore, and then you had to do the other side as well. I didn't know we had to do that.
4H. Here we go. Is secant x, secant theta, I'll call it. 1 minus cos theta equals secant theta minus 1. Now this is a lot easier than you think it is. Okay. Now I need someone that doesn't raise their hand all the time. You guys know who the hand raisers are in the class. Okay. Can you tell me please, question or answer?
No.
Go ahead.
So what are you gonna ask what secant was?
Yeah, what's secant?
1 over cos.
Right on. So instantly when I do this, I'm going to start by doing this. So I'm going to have 1 over cos theta, 1 minus cos theta equals 1 over cos theta minus 1. Are we all okay where that came from? Okay, and you can do both sides. As long as you don't move things left and right, that's fine. Like you can work with each side any way you want. Okay, so I'm going to now choose the left-hand side. Not because it's easier, just because I have an idea of what I'm going to do. Can someone be brave and tell me what I should probably do with the left-hand side? Tristan, go ahead.
We changed the one to sine
You could. Oh, you could. I'm not going to though. Now I'm going to that. What I'm trying, the reason is, if you take a look, I have 2 terms here, and I have 2 terms here. Right? If you change that to sine squared plus cos squared, you're going to have 3 terms on the left and 2 on the right, and that's going to be more difficult. And want to see what we're going to do here for this? Luke, you want to try? What are we going to do for this?
distribute.
Yeah, I'm going to FOIL. Okay, or distribute, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to choose the left-hand side and distribute. Okay, so, can someone be brave? What's 1 over cos theta times 1 equal to? 1 over cos theta, good. Okay. What's 1 over cos theta times negative cos theta equal to? Oh. Yeah. Negative cos theta. Cos theta. Which is 1 over cos theta. So this one's definitely more straightforward, okay? Once you got the idea that, but this is the problem with identities, right? If you start to do what Tristan did, no offense, try and change 1 into sine squared plus cos squared, you can be going, all over the place in this question, right? But as soon as you say, well, yeah, if you just follow it out, it's one step and you're done, right? And that's sort of the challenge shows in these identities, right? There's not a, it's not like you always do this. Like, all right, sort of okay? Everybody okay on what happened here for most people? Yes? And that's the other textbook here if you don't know. This is page, what page do you want to remember? Number 14. Oh, boy. Okay, I'm going to ask, whoever that down, some of those do you mind giving me this on Friday morning? Because on Friday and Monday we're going to do identities like this, and we're trying to do a lesson. And these are going to take probably 10 or 15 minutes for each one to do. That's all. Okay. So we'll do 14 and 14 I 1 and 4 we'll do on Friday. Awesome. So, all right, I'm going to pause the video and then we're going to get started with the lesson here. Yes,